Hello viewers, in today's video we will talk about what a checkout page is. If you want to create our own checkout page, how can we do that? Let's suppose you go to the cart page and view your cart. You have this cart page. At the top there are post types and below that you have the details of your cart. If you proceed to checkout, the system will redirect you to the checkout page. Here, by providing your billing details, you can complete your order. So how do you create this page? Today we will move towards that and see how to create a new page so that your understanding can develop. First, to begin this process, you will need to navigate to your administrative dashboard, which is the central control panel for managing your website. Once you have successfully accessed this comprehensive dashboard, locate the option to add a new page and proceed with creating it. You can give that page any name you like. Let's suppose I name it Custom Checkout. We'll proceed to publish this particular page shortly. After publishing, we will edit this page with Elementor so that we can apply the checkout shortcode on this page. Now our page has been opened in Elementor for editing. We will add the shortcode element to it. The shortcode element has been added. Now which shortcode do we need to use here? If you go to our documentation, we have mentioned the shortcode for the default WordPress checkout page. You can use that code. Now, this is the shortcode for our checkout page. We'll copy this and paste it onto this page. You can see that our cart page has loaded. If you want to make it full width, you can set its main container to full width as well. We will save our changes. After saving the changes, we will visit our site and check whether our changes have been reflected or not. We will now proceed to the secure checkout page. You can see that the classic checkout is still loading, the default one. The page we created is not loading. Now, to load it, you need to go to your WordPress dashboard. You will see WooCommerce in the sidebar menu. You need to go to Settings. In Settings, you have a tab called Advanced. Click on Advanced. Here you can see the option to select the checkout page, where you can choose which page you want to use as a checkout page. The page we created, we named it Custom Checkout Page. We will enter the name here. Yes, we can see Custom Checkout appearing here. We will save the changes we have made. Now that our changes have been saved, we will reload our front end again so that our changes are properly reflected on the front end. We will go to the checkout page again and check whether our custom page is loading or not. Right now, if you look at the URL, our custom checkout page is currently running. And right after that, I would like to tell you that our custom checkout page has multiple styles. Where do you select those styles from? You need to go to the WordPress dashboard and then go to WooMerchant. When you click on WooMerchant, you'll see the option to select checkout styles. We have two styles available, Style 1 and Style 2. By default, Style 2 is selected. We will select this and save the changes. We will come back and reload our page so that our settings are reflected, and we'll see that the checkout style will look a bit different. Now you can see that the place order button, which was previously on the left side, is now visible on the right side. If you want to disable the styles, you can disable them from here, but we've already made it easier for you by creating two styles for your convenience. So you can select a style from here according to your choice. This is entirely your own choice. So basically we've learned how we can create a checkout page. Now let's suppose you want to add something else on top of the checkout page. Let's say you want to add an element. So go back to your Elementor. After going into Elementor, you now have the option to add a new element here. Now let's suppose you want to add an element like showing archive posts by name, custom taxonomy, QRP taxonomy, or whatever else you want to display. You will select which taxonomy you want to display. If you want to show product categories, they will become visible here. We will publish the page. Basically, the purpose of teaching you this is that when you create something custom, you can add multiple things to it. You can design and style it however you like. Now you can see that our checkout page is running at the top and below our taxonomies are visible. So this was the method for how to make the checkout page visible. Now you must be noticing that our checkout page is working properly. Here, by entering the billing details, we can proceed to checkout and place the order. I hope any confusion you had will be cleared up. We have mentioned the details in the further documentation. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.